we make food with secret ingredients.
Last time, we made grilled cheese with the secret ingredient, rosemary.
What are we going to be making today, Autumn?
We're going to be making a mango smoothie with the secret ingredient under this bowl.
Delicious.
Now, let's get cooking. Let's check if this mango is ripe. It's a little bit squishy. Perfect.
The ingredients are milk,
Plain Greek yogurt,
mango,
Clover Honey USA Grade A,
a knife,
vanilla,
and finally, most importantly, a secret ingredient.
So we are using a bullet blender to make our smoothie.
The first ingredient you need to put in is the yogurt. You need 3 humongous spoonfuls of yogurt.
So 4 big spoonfuls of yogurt.
And then you make the milk.
And then we take the milk to cover up the
Yogurt things.
yogurt.
Yeah, yogurt things.
So I'm just gonna pour this in,
All the way up until it covers
so.
the yogurt. Like that much.
I think.
Okay, next, we're going to cut open the magical mango.
If you're cutting the mango, you need adult supervision, even if you're an adult, because cutting a mango is hard. Now,
We only did it in 1 single second.
now we will put the mango in the.
Milky
Now that we've added the mangoes, we will add in the honey.
and vanilla.
So you add the honey to taste, depending on how sweet you like it.
And as much vanilla as you need.
I'm gonna add a little bit more honey, just because after me likes sweet stuff. Yeah. Secret ingredient today is, drum roll please,
Roasted carrots! Roasted
So I'm
carrots!
just gonna put these in.
Plop. 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 Oh.
Oh goodness. I'm trying to put this down.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Just push it down.
Okay.
Okay.
It's got to be assembled because assembled is a very nice word. You take it and where is the okay. And
See the carrots! Yeah, you can see the carrots flying through. I don't know if you can hear us. Is that good? Keep going. Yeah. It's too thick, so we're gonna add some milk.
and again there's some
And twist. Pop off. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Ew, 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 ew.
Why did you give me more?
Ew, it doesn't look good. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now for the ratings. Okay, ratings. 3, 2, 1. It was okay. First of all, I do not like this. I think we added too many carrots. Actually, no carrots would have been fine, but it's really carroty. And
Parody?
yes, carroty. It's not sweet enough.
Why?
That's way too carrot. It's like a carrot full on. No.
It's terrible. That's all. Never try to do this. And if you just finished doing it, you would regret it. Right now, don't ever do this. It's terrible.
Unless you love carrots. I mean, like, okay, well, bye.
And have a great day.